See you. I'm Marcus Caston, and we are here at the SAA Ski Show, checking out some of the new 17-18 Blizzard freeride line. This is the Blizzard Cochise, my go-to ski for 90% of the time. It's 108 underfoot, so it's perfect, perfect width. Right in the middle for skiing hard pack, skiing groomers, and even on the deepest days, it's my go-to. It's got 2 sheets of metal in it, so it's just a friggin' charger. Grit your teeth and go. And yeah, it's super fun. The other 10% of the time, if it hasn't snowed in a long while, I take out the Bonafide right here, which is 98 underfoot, so a little bit shorter radius, got 18-meter radius, so it's a bit quicker, and just crushes bumps, crushes chalky wind buff and groomers. So maybe the most fun ski, I think, in my opinion, in the Blizzard lineup. So yeah, Cochise and Bonafide for 90% of 100% of the time. And thanks for watching. You're watching SkiGearTV. Appreciate you guys coming out, and yeah, check them out.